Hello, welcome, I'm Crow. Welcome to this video. This is the drum in question. We're going to have a little sound demo on this drum just now. I'm going to use two beaters. I'm going to use a soft beater and a firmer beater. Either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this to be your own. I'm going to start with a soft beater. So this drum is a 16-inch deerskin drum. It's on an ashwood frame. All the information, the details, etc. will be on the Etsy listing. So here we go. This video is just about the sound. So let's have a little play. And a firmer beater. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope the little video helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your drum online. It's always tricky. That's why we make these videos. I'm Crow. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.